In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable reCAPTCHA in Mailchimp. This simple setting helps protect your sign-up forms from spam and automated submissions, keeping your audience clean and your reports accurate. We'll walk through exactly where to find the option, how to turn it on, and what to expect once it's enabled. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand panel of the dashboard and find the section labeled Audience. Click that to open your audience workspace. Inside the audience area, head to the top right of the page and look for the More Options icon. This is usually shown as 3 dots or a similar menu symbol. Click it, and from the drop-down, select Audience Settings. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Mailchimp occasionally updates its interface, but the audience section and its settings are always accessible from this area. In the Audience Settings page, scroll down until you reach the Form Settings section. This is where Mailchimp keeps controls related to your sign-up forms. Look for the option called reCAPTCHA for single opt-in forms. On the right side of that label, you'll see a toggle switch. Click the toggle to turn it on. What this does is add a reCAPTCHA challenge to your single opt-in forms, which are forms that add someone to your audience as soon as they submit their details. reCAPTCHA helps confirm a real person is completing the form, which can dramatically reduce fake or malicious signups. If you use double opt-in, where subscribers confirm via email, reCAPTCHA is still helpful for the initial form, but is especially valuable for single opt-in scenarios. As soon as you enable the toggle, Mailchimp saves the change automatically. There's no separate save button to press. You can navigate away from the page with confidence, and the setting will remain active. If you come back later, the toggle will still show as enabled. A couple of quick tips for clarity. If you manage multiple audiences, each audience has its own settings page, so the reCAPTCHA toggle applies per audience. Also, if you don't see the option, you might be viewing the account with limited permissions. In that case, check with your account administrator to confirm access. And that's it. You've enabled reCAPTCHA in Mailchimp, adding an important layer of protection to your sign-up forms with just a quick toggle. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to review where the setting lives.